Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to see the open internship opportunities for various freshers who have passed out of 2020 or 2019, right? So first of all, let me tell you about the information technology internship that the Google is having at their Hyderabad office. And if you will go to the careers.google.com URL, you'll get all the details over there, and over here you can see the last date for application. The last date to apply for this internship is November 16, 2020. That is today. So it is very important that you should upload your CV as soon as possible. And basically this program is designed to provide the exposure to the technology industry for students, right, of this field. So you need to upload the resume, you need to upload the CV, and once you will get applicable, then you'll get a call from them. And minimum qualifications that are required is, currently you should be pursuing an academic degree in either information technology or computer science branch or information systems, or even networking or system administration field is okay with them. And then they need someone who can experience troubleshooting applications, like in one of the network environments, like it can be any of the OS of Windows, Linux, Mac, or Chrome OS, right? So if you see, all the details are mentioned over here. So just go through it, and they need someone who can provide the support for desktop, laptop, or user access to the corporate network and applications, right? So you can have a look at all these details, and you will be able to see all these details on the careers.google.com URL, and I'll ping this URL in the description of this video as well. Okay, so it's a internship, and you'll get a lot of knowledge, and especially the company is a Google, so definitely it's going to be, it's like working in a dream company. The another thing I would like to tell you is about the this website, that is internshala.com, and it is also offering the internships, and now it has gone live, and the last date to apply for this internships is 18th November. Okay, so how you can apply over here is, you can basically when you will open this URL, when you will open this website in your computer, so you will be, redirected to login using your Google account. So once if you get logged in, then you would be able to see, the web page like this. And now if I click on apply now, so I would be going to all these internships. So first of all, you will be able to see the various internships of sales, marketing, and business. But as you are looking for technical roles, then just enter uh, over here software in the filter, right? So once you will enter software in the filter criteria, you can enter location. You can choose whether you want to work from home or not. So you'll be able to see all the IT related internships available. Over here, you can see growth hacking is there, Android app development is there. If you are really looking for software testing internships, then you can scroll down on this web page, and you can see the companies and the locations, the places in India where actually they are hiring interns, and the duration would be, for example, for this specific job, the duration is 6 months. You can start immediately. This is a stipend, and you can apply by 17th November 2020. So you will get more details over here. So you can see what is the company about, and what are all the details that who can apply, what are the other requirements, right? So this internship would be starting between 3rd November and 8th December, and you should be available for the duration of 6 months, right? So there is, this option also, like if some particular woman would have stopped their career or would have taken some gap, so they can restart their career from here. And you need to have the manual testing knowledge. You need to have the knowledge of identifying, preventing defects. Okay, so these are all the experience required, and you will be able to find the tutorials, the videos on all these things on my YouTube channel itself, right? So there are currently two openings over here. So let's say if you want to apply for some of this, again, see, it is very important that you should not, pay anything to anyone. If an employer asks you to pay any security deposit, registration fee, laptop fee, etc., do not pay and notify them. So you will get an option if any of the employer is asking you about all these things. So you will get an option of reporting an issue into this website itself. So because Internshala does not charge a fee from the students to apply to a job or internship, and we don't allow other companies to do so either, right? So please be cautious, and if you find any of this, kind of things happening, then just report an issue to them. Now I'll show you how to apply. So for just for the sake of example, let us take this thing. Okay, so now you want to apply to this software testing internship. So what you will do is you will scroll down over here. What is your preference? So currently, if you are looking for internships or fresher jobs, so you can select any of them. And then what are you looking forward for? Like you can be comfortable working from home or working in the office. So let's say if I select this thing, select your first preference. So over here you can type software testing. Select your second preference. Over here you can type like, if you are interested for software development and something like that. So you can type your preferences over here. Now, which cities would you like to work in? You can select your first preference, second, third accordingly. Okay. You can click on save and next. Okay. You can fill in all your personal details over here. You can add current city, the second city, and please enter your correct mobile number, because many a times if they are not able to contact you via email, they will contact you via your mobile number and vice versa. So put all your details correctly over here. Okay, let's say it's a required field, so let me fill it up. Now you need to add the graduation, post graduation over here, whatever the education degrees, whether it is whether you are pursuing or whether you have completed them. Okay, so you can put over here any your specific year you can choose over here. Please fill all the details properly, because based on this you'll get a selection call. So once you are done with all this, then what was the percentage that you got, you can move on next. If you have any prior experience, so you can add the project also that you have done in your college. Okay, so don't just fill it all these details. I'm moving forward so that you get an idea of what are all the things that you need to fill. Now, okay, this is very important. Whenever you are applying for a job, if you have any of the blog, if you have written any blog or made any video or assisted any in of the YouTube channel, you were present over there, you sort of an interacted with any YouTuber. So you can mention your personal blog or such kind of videos over here. Again, GitHub profile is very important whenever you are applying for software development job, because they will see your GitHub profile, they'll see what are the code that you have checked in. Okay, if you have created any of the app and published it on the Play Store, Google Play Store, so you can put those things over here. And on the similar lines, these two fields. So these details are required. Okay, and any of the competitions that you have took part at, so those things also you can enter over there. So once if you proceed further, you will be able to see all your details over here. Just verify once and proceed to application. You can click over there. So once if I click on this thing, then I'll be applying. But I this is just for your understanding. Okay, so I won't proceed over here. So as I told you, you can see, keep this website with you handy always, and bookmark it in your browser itself, because they'll have all those job openings and internship opportunities over here.